So I am back with another lash video. I want to explain a little bit about my service and about my lash kit so you guys understand better what I'm offering. Of course, the new service is having a set of volume lashes put on by me, and that is a half-hour service. So it's really quick. It's not like lash extensions where they take 2 hours. You're going to get 2 to 5 days out of them. I personally wear them for 5 days and remove them and clean my lashes and then reapply. And that's where the lash kit will come in for you, or you can come back. And a couple of different deals I have with the lashes. So when you come to have a lash set put on, it is $40 the first time. Now with that $40 service, it can be a consultation where you can take a lash kit home. So I'll put the lashes on and I will show you how to put them on at home if you purchase a kit from me. Now, if you purchase the kit when you come for the appointment, for the consultation appointment, the kits are $50. But if you come and have me put the lashes on and the consultation, they are $45. So you get $5 off. And also, if you choose to not get the consultation, just want a set of lashes put on to wear for the 2 to 5 days, you don't want to get a lash kit, it is $40. But if you keep coming back, say after the 5 days, it is $35 from then on. So just your first appointment is $40, and then it goes to $35. You can come back in 5 days, you can come back in a month. It's whatever, but it is $5 cheaper for you. So those are the deals I have going on right now. If you want to try both of the actual applying the lashes and the lash kits. So if you want to book an appointment with me, just private message me right now. I will have it in my online booking soon, but I just have to figure out my times with my nails because, of course, you know, I'm a nail tech. I'm also a certified lash tech, and certified lash techs will tell you that what I am applying to your lashes is harmful, but it is not. I've been doing it on myself since December and I have no issues. I actually will show you my eyelashes up close here. I took my lashes off. You can see there, I don't have really thick lashes to begin with. That's why I wear lash extensions. But you can see that I have all my lashes. They're nice and healthy. I took them off for this video because I'm going to show you how to apply the lash extension kit that I offer. It's really easy. It's really quick. You can do it in 15 minutes at home when you get really good. Most people take about 30 minutes when they first start, and when they get used to it, it's really quick. 15 minutes, and you don't have to go to a lash appointment. I found with my lash appointments, when I actually had lash extensions put on, sometimes they would be full, sometimes they wouldn't. I wouldn't be happy, or they'd fall out. Like, you do have a natural shedding of your natural lashes, but I was losing a whole lot sometimes, and I was very careful. I don't sleep on them. I don't rub my eyes. And sometimes I would have full lash extensions for 2 weeks, and the next time I was like, what happened? I didn't do anything different. So that's why I did some research. I looked into this. My kits, the lash extension kits that I'm offering, they're actually my kits. They're my logo. I did a lot of research, like I said, to do this, and I have a perfect kit that offers everything you need to do these lashes at home. And if you don't want to do them at home, you can come see me and I'll apply them. If you have a wedding, I could do it on a Saturday quick, or if you have an anniversary or a birthday party, or going out for the weekend, or just want them all the time, then you can come see me and I will apply them for you. So lots of options there, and there's a few deals. And I will have the link where you can purchase one of these kits. If you're not where I live, there's a shipping fee, of course, but you can purchase them in Canada, but Canada only, because of the bonder and that I can't send it to another country at this point. But you can follow that link in Canada and pay for the shipping, and you'll pay the same price plus the shipping for the kit. Those that live around me that know where I live, then you can just come and pick one up, and you don't have to pay any shipping, but you have to contact me in order to purchase it. So those are your options with that. So I'm going to show you the kit really quick, and then I'm going to get into applying one eye for you on camera so you can see how easy and how neat it is. You're going to love it. It's very addicting because it's really fun to apply them and easy to remove, which I won't show you in this video. So let's take a look at the kits that I offer. So this is the kit. And like I said, everything is in here that you need. So I'm gonna open it up and I'll show you. And these are called A Dawn Lashes. So the A stands for Ardell. Dawn is my middle name. And this is what you get. So we've got a 72 volume cluster lashes, and these are a D mix, and it has the sizes. I chose to make them to what I like. So we've got lengths of 16, we go to 14, we go to 12, and we go to 10. And then there's one row of 8. I'll show you up close so you can see. So 72 lashes, and I think usually applying lashes, it takes me maybe 10 altogether to apply to both eyes. And the nice thing about these is you can clean them and reuse them. So you have 72 lashes, which would maybe be, say, 7 different sets of lashes, but then you can also clean them and reuse them. So you're getting a lot more out of that. So the value is amazing if you do it this way versus going to a lash tech, which is very expensive, as you all know. So a great alternative. And there's my logo, A Dawn Lashes. So that's the first thing you get in the kit. Now you also get, with my logo, you actually get a tweezer. I'll show you the logo up close. See it there? Is A Dawn Lashes, and there's the tweezers, perfect for applying them. It's rose gold. You also get in the kit, this is the most important, and of course there's my logo again. Hopefully it picks it up. So it says A Dawn Lashes, and there is the bonder, and I'll show you. So there's the bonder, and that's how you apply them. And then when they're all done, which I'll explain when I get to it, it also has the seal. So this has got both. Some kits only have the bonder, but it's good to have the seal. It just makes them last longer. So there's the seal. You got the little tip on the end, or you can apply it with a brush. And also in the kit, I have the remover. So this removes them. So you can do everything at home, which is nice. And it's just a little brush. So I think I covered everything you need to know in order to buy a lash kit or come see me for this service. I'm going to show you now. I'm just going to get it ready, and I'm going to apply it to one eye, and I'll move it up close so you can see better. So I'll be back in a second when I have everything set up. So first things first, this is my very own bonder and seal. Now, when I do it on a client, the bonder and the seal never touches their eye directly. So just so you know, but when you're having your kit at home, of course you can touch your eye with your kit, and I'll show you exactly how to do this. So first of all, taking the bond, open it up here. Now, taking the little applicator brush, you're going to just take your eyelash and you're just going to dab it on more the base. You don't want to get it on your skin, and you want to put it all over the lashes. Just a nice little amount. You don't need a whole bunch. Like I know some videos, they brush it on. You don't want to do that. There's no need. Just a little bit on the base of the lashes. Pull your eyelash lid up a bit so you can see. So just enough so that when you apply the lashes, there's a little bit to grab hold on. So now that is ready. I'll show you up close here, just a little bit. So now we're going to take the lashes. So they are sealed in a bag here. So I'm just going to open it. So I like to use, I think I'll use 14s, 12s, and 10s. That's my preference. You can go longer, you can go shorter. You can do a cat's eye, you can do a doll's eye. There's a lot of options with that. So I'm going to do a cat's eye. So I'm going to go longer to shorter. And when you come, I asked that if we wanted a doll eye, if you wanted a cat's eye. It's just a different look. So I'm gonna get my lashes ready and then we're gonna start applying. So a trick with the lashes to take them off, I use isopropyl alcohol and I use a little tiny brush. You could use a Q-tip, but I just have these with doing lashes and nails. So just gonna grab and I'll show you. So I'm gonna find the 14s here. So putting a little bit across, and then I can take it off there really easy and it dries by the time it comes anywhere near your eye. I'm just gonna grab it off the tray, try and get it in focus here from the base and just pull it. You're gonna grab it all with the tweezer and pull it off. I'm going to show you. So there is the actual lash. So what you're going to do now is that I'm going to grab it more at the top. So here's the lash, and on the base of the lash, we're just going to add a little bit of the bonder. You don't need a whole lot. I have a magnifying mirror too that I'm looking at. It makes it so much easier to see what you're doing below. So if you have a mirror, make sure you have a magnifying one. Now you're gonna let it dry for a minute. That's why I already put it on the lashes. It needs time to set because when it gets sticky, it bonds so much better. If it's not quite ready, you'll find it won't stick. So just give it a minute. When I apply it on clients, I do have a fan. It's just a little lash fan. Just speeds up the drying. Okay, so now it is ready to apply. This is the best part. So you apply it to the lashes. I choose not to go to the very corner, just about though. If it's ready, it'll stick right away. Yes, it is ready. So then you're gonna push it on there just to make sure it gets a bond with the lashes. And there's the first one. How neat is that? So I'm gonna keep going here and I'll keep showing you. So I always close this every time I use it. You can add the adhesive to every lash if you want. You can have it all set up, ready, and then apply them. I'm just showing you and I'm adding it now as I go, but you want to keep it closed so it doesn't dry up and keep it away from the heat as well. So we're going to add some more. Just going to add just a little bit to that base. Close this up. Okay, and I'm just going to take my fan to speed it up here so I can show you. And we're going to dry it a little bit. So when I apply them to the next spot, I like to overlap just slightly. It just makes it look more uniform and proper, I guess you could say. And you don't want to go too close to the lash line. So you want to be 1 to 3 millimeters away. But I'm just going to add the next one. That's looking good there. So I'm going to give it a push. And then what I like to do at this point is I like to take the natural lash and the actual lashes and make sure they're bonded good, which they are. So there you go. You can see, look how nice that's looking already. It looks so much better than without. Okay, so I'm going to go on. I'm going to now use a 12. I think I'll use 2 12s. Okay, and I'm going to grab that bonder again and open it up. Just apply it again to the base just slightly. Don't want a whole bunch. Don't need a whole bunch. Just make sure you get it from corner to corner and just on the very, very base. Just gonna help speed it up again. Now we're gonna apply it. Again, I'm just gonna slightly overlap it. Perfect. So that looks really good. I'm actually gonna clamp that one too. So nice and full. And you can add more after. Once you get it on your whole eye, you can apply some more to fill it in, but I like it just applying these like this. They're full enough for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going, but look how great that's looking already. Applying some more bonder. Just again to the edge of it, across, right across. Perfect. You can let it dry all by itself. Like I said, I'm just trying to speed this up to show you. Perfect. Crazy the difference, isn't it? Like I can't go without them for this reason. So anyways, I can clamp it again, or I can wait a minute or so, but I'll just clamp it to show you. There. So I've just got one more. I'm going to use a 10, I think, and then that eye will be done. So I find in the corner ones, I like to grab it right in the middle. It's just a little bit easier. And if you're looking downwards to apply the corners, I find that easier too. So we're just going to apply it like that. Best I can. Perfect. I'm going to clamp that corner one as well to make sure we're good. Push it up. And again, you want to make sure nothing is in your lash line. So I'm just going to clamp it again. Much better. And I will show you. So wow, what a difference from this eye to this eye. So I'm going to go off camera and finish this one and I'll be back. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you looking downwards how pretty these are. They're so nice. And then from the side, just so you get an idea what they look like. But wow, right? It's like having lash extensions and it's so easy. And I will do another video on removing them and some tips and tricks if you need. So before I go and do the other eye, I have to apply the seal just to show you. So I'm going to take the tweezer and I'm actually going to apply it to the tweezer. You can apply it directly below the lashes, but I'm just going to show you it on the tweezer. So I'm just going to rub this along the tweezer on the top. And then I'm just going to clamp it again, just at the very, very base where you adhered it. And that's all you have to do. And then they're going to hold up that much better by having that seal on there. Okay, I'll be back when I finish this eye. So I'm back and here are the lashes done. Aren't they beautiful? Show you downwards. Show you off to the side. You would never know that they're not actual lash extensions. They're so pretty. They're so full, and I could even put them fuller if I really wanted to, but I like them like this. I think with my skin tone being lighter, I don't want it too dramatic. Now, if you had darker skin tone, you could probably go a little bit more volume, but I think there's quite a bit on there, as you can see. And just to show you, I still have all of these lashes left, so you can get about 7 more sets with this, and you can reuse the ones you have as long as you clean them. And I can do a video on that soon of cleaning the lashes. But if you have any questions, please ask me in the comments of this video and let me know what you think of the lashes. I think they're so pretty, but you let me know what you think. And I want to thank everybody for watching. And if you could like the video, I'd appreciate that. And I will see everybody in the next one.